Okay, so this is a short tutorial on how to get to the SciFinder database, which the library subscribes to. So once on the library homepage, click on Databases, click on S for SciFinder, and scroll down and you'll see it here. Now, if you've never used SciFinder before, you are going to have to register separately with SciFinder. Um, the American Chemical Society is very particular about tracking usage. In addition to being affiliated with the university, you have to register separately with them. Now make sure you use your emporia.edu email address for this registration or it will not get approved, okay? So once you're registered, you go back and you click on SciFinder, American Chemical Society, and you sign in. And here you are on the starting search page. And you have various options for searching. By topic is default. So if you're looking up, lithium salts or something like that, you can search the topic here, or you can look up industry information or for papers by author name. You can search by chemical structure, molecular formula, properties, substance identifier, or reaction structure. Now, it is important that when you're in SciFinder, you think of it mostly as a citation index, meaning it's going to have a lot of citations and abstracts in here, but you're not going to be able to get to the full text very easily. So, for example, if I do my search here, so there are references containing lithium salts is entered. There are references containing the concept. So here I'm going to look at the references. You can see here's, it's patents. We've got lots of patents here. Let's look at this one. All right, so say I want to get this article. I'm going to try this button, link to other sources, and it's not going to work. So that says Korean Patent Office. You can try this East BaseNet thing, but it's probably not going to work either. So the truth is that for advanced chemical research, we really only have full text access to 5 American Chemical Society journals. So if you get a reference that is from one of those 5 journals and you click link to other resources, it will take you directly to the full text. Without that, so if it's basically anything else, you're going to have to search for it on Google Scholar or do an interlibrary loan request for the item. Okay, so we can get you anything that you want, but you might not be able, you're probably not going to be able to get the full text directly through SciFinder. Now, there are a lot of other types of full text information in here, like handbook type things or information on chemical substances, but the research papers you can find in SciFinder, but will likely have to get them for you another way. If you have any questions about this, you can contact me. My name is Megan Mahoney, and my email address is mmahone1@emporia.edu. It is my job to help you get the information you need, okay? So it's never a bother. I look forward to hearing from you in the future.